Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can make your profile public in Snapchat. In order to do so, first off, you're going to want to go to the Play Store and install Snapchat. And once you have, then you should see a screen similar to this. What you're looking for is up at the top left-hand corner, the profile icon. We can go ahead and select that. And then from there, you can see here where it says public profile. When you first start off, it should default to a public profile. And if you want to manage those settings, then we can go ahead and just click that. And then here you can see that you can add some snaps to your public profile. You might want to do that. And then up at the top right hand corner, we have the settings icon. If we click on that, then here you can see the various options that you have related to your public profile. If there's anything that you want to modify here, you can do that. You might want to go to edit profile and change some of the information here. If you don't want to show your follower count, you can toggle that on and off. And you can also show public story replies. You can toggle that on and off. You can edit muted words. You can performance milestones. You can toggle that on and off as well. And if you want to clear your public profile entirely, you can do that down here at the bottom. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.